Listen, he shouted at you. So please don't go back to his house now.
I know, but it's already been more than 2 months and we guys have not even met.
Yeah, but before that, he must apologize to you. Otherwise, what's the point of being in this relationship?
I think that you've got a point and you're right at it.
Chalo, I'll catch you later. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bro, she left your house. Don't you dare to call her.
Yes, I understand that, but everyone is asking me now and it's been a while.
So what? She should apologize to you and feel your worth. Otherwise, just move on.
I think you're right. Thanks. Okay, bye. Listen, if you don't want to come back, let's end this relationship.
I can't believe that you cannot accept your mistakes.
Look at your attitude.
My attitude. And what about your ego?
See, I don't want to listen to all this drama. Just end this and I'll be sending you the divorce paper by tonight. That's it.
Fine. Let's not talk then. Yeah.
This couple took the wrong advice of their fake friends and now they are on the verge of ending their relationship. Let's see the flip side of the same story.
Listen, he shouted at you only in a fight. It's no big deal. I think you should go back to his house.
Yeah, I know, but it has already been 2 months that we guys have not met and he didn't even call me once.
Yeah, but I would still say you should leave your ego. It was just a small fight and see what you guys have made out of it.
Yeah, I think that you're right and we should fix things up.
Yeah. Okay then, I'll catch you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bro, she left your house. You didn't even call her once.
But she left. Why should I call her?
Listen, you shouted at her. I think you should leave this attitude and call her now. Just don't act like a kid.
I think you're right.
Yes, take care and call her now. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Hi, I just want to say that I'm really sorry. Just come back home.
You don't need to apologize. Actually, even I'm really sorry. I overreacted.
No need for all that. Just come back. I really miss you. In fact, I'll come and pick you.
No. You don't need to come. I'll come by myself. But you know what? Even I really miss you. I can't wait to see you.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Bye.
Bye.
This is a story of those people who blindly trust their fake friends and make a mess out of their relationships. It's high time to understand your genuine friends would never do that. They would always try to resolve your relationship problems in a positive way. So stay away from these fake people. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you're facing any problem and want to connect with me, then do join my new group called Nijo Plus. We are trying to build a community which can help each other with positivity. If you want to remain anonymous, then you can directly message it to me on my page and I'll share it without disclosing your identity. The link is there in the comment segment. Take care.